Good guys, we're back with another video. We're on, I'm not too sure what track we're on.
Yeah, I forget the name of it.
But
it's pretty sick though.
It's the new Arena Cross practice track on MXB Mods. It's free. So a pretty good track. Definitely recommend picking it up. It's good if you're new and you're trying to learn how to play some Supercross. This is definitely a good track to learn on. We're on the factory bikes today. The 144s. Ooh, they're a little sketchy. This track's definitely on the easier side. I'm just really shitting it right now, I guess. Yeah, no, a step over is not possible in third gear on this bike for sure. Without a doubt, in my mind, need fourth gear.
Yeah, I think so. You can almost get it in third though.
Almost. It's just not enough.
It's just that you gotta get the perfect setup in the whoops.
Yeah. This track E-Road's really good too. I just reset it and we've only ran 2 laps on the new reset, 2 to 3 laps. And it's already pretty rough.
Yeah.
And it's only on like 1.5, I think. Maybe 1.8, I forget. Oh, that was easy. Trying to catch up, but I'm not doing so well. He's down in the whoops. Big Dom hits the quad. And he hits the second quad! And he goes down!
Typical Big Dom.
Typical Big Dom. Big Dom is always on the ground. God damn.
Another cool thing about this track is the Jumbotron. Which follows the riders. It's pretty sick.
And I'm dead.
We'll wait up. I just crashed.
Oh, framed the piss out of that and that. Shoot up the inside.
Taking the fast line to catch up.
Damn. There's a burner too. The sand definitely wants to just take my front wheel.
Oh yeah. especially because you just like smash into the face.
Damn, I don't know if you can get that quad out on this thing. It's so fucking big.
I still haven't even got the quad in.
I got the quad in 2 times in a row now, I think. I just hit it. But
I'm going for it next lap.
literally just 4th gear. Like, you don't think you're gonna clear it, but you're gonna clear it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Going for it.
It's really just all about that whoop speed. If you
I
can
don't
hold
got it.
in the corner.
I'm just bogging out.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Fucking quad, double quad. That was drip. Damn, I was about to run a 33.
When do you shift into 4th?
I'm in 4th in the whoops, and then I don't let off.
That's what I thought, 'cause that's what I tried, but...
Or I let off.
Bogging.
But, so I hit the corner in 3rd. Hit the corner in 3rd to keep my RPMs up, and then click 4th going into the whoops. And then it sounds... Yeah, it sounds like you're not gonna make it and you're bogging, but you're gonna make it.
Yeah. So it's quad, double quad?
Yeah.
Kind of a weird line, but...
It's so fast. I mean, it gained me a 2.5 seconds, so... Lap times are definitely very quick on this track. So, if you guys are going to run races on it, I would recommend doing timed races, not laps.
Yeah, that quad out's pretty hard to get.
Just stay in 4th.
That's what I've been doing. I think I got it next lap.
Word up, man. In a fast lap, or fast line to you. That way, bad
See if we can both hit it. No, I'm not getting it.
Somehow I got it. Oh, I just
my God.
it. I don't know how I greased it. Yeah.
OJ.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Yes.
Dude, that triple has such a bad kicker on the way left.
Thing's so sketchy to scrub, dude.
For real.
Bad entry in the web.
Oh, definitely fun though. As I go down.
Yeah, I fuck with this track.
Definitely good to start learning Suki on. Couple big lines, couple small lines. Just to get in a flow. Going deep, holy shit. Alright, we can do 2 more laps to lap Kobe.
Buddy.
And, oh, getting bogged random. Corner's got a deep run. This is how you go through whoops. Smash! My line.
We're stuck on the back of the berm.
Funny? And that's just the big dome things we do around here. That's just that big dome type shit, honestly. We'll just have to wait to see what I just did in the field. But, yeah, let's get a lap with Jacoby.
Let's see if I can pull it together a lap.
Big Paboso helmet guy. Very big Paboso helmet guy.
Gotta represent it, you know.
With the Paboso goggles too, unfathomable. The drip is just too immaculate, I'm not gonna lie. And he spins out and he's down.
We're good, we're good. We're gonna go ahead and rerun that one.
On, off, over, double out, grease. To the outside, triple, square up the inside, and tire tap. Oh, and he's
And we're
down
down.
right before the finish. A little wheelie boy action for the crowd. And he sauces. He just absolutely throws one for the crowd.
Alright, let's get serious here.
Oh, he's getting serious.
Same thing as last lap.
Honestly, folks, I think that's as serious as he's going to get. I'm not going to lie. We're going to let it play. See what he does here through these whoops.
I think I'm gonna try and go for the quad line here, boys.
Little Buck Randall. He gets to step on. Oh, does not get the quad. It's all good, though. Oh, somehow keeps it up. Absolutely barking to the inside. This track is beat to shit. Holy crap. Absolutely sauces one for the fans. Look at him go. He's on a mission right now. Frames it. The ruts in the corners, dude, are crazy.
I think that's gonna do it.
Yeah,
For the 776.
I think that's gonna do it. But honestly, just look at this rut really quick. This is crazy. The deformation is just unreal on this track. The whoops, even, all of them just broken up. If you're looking for a good track to practice Supercross with some deformation, this is definitely it. Look at this.
This is definitely the one.
Yeah. Look at this. The face of this triple is just beat. I mean, that is one hell of a kicker right there. I mean, YouTube probably won't do it any justice, but this stuff is pretty deep. I mean, this deforms very, very well. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for us. So we'll catch you in the next one.